Hi, it's Finn from South Molton Fine and Country here, and welcome to Hillside in Cholmondeley, a truly unique property constructed in 1912 by Canadian carpenters. This Edwardian hunting house has so many fantastic features throughout the property. There's 6 bedrooms, views to die for, plenty of parking, and it really is a stunning find, a rare opportunity indeed. So without further ado, let's go on inside and take a look. Internally, the accommodation is arranged over 4 levels and equates to just over 3,000 square foot of living accommodation. There's even a cellar and workshop below, and there's plenty of character features and countryside views to admire. An overused expression within this industry is lifestyle change, but that really is what you've got here. With the views, the privacy, and the plot size, this offers so much. So if you'd like to view Hillside, give us a call. As always, our number is 01769 573 181. We look forward to speaking to you very soon. Thank you.